31,700 West 13 Mile Road, Farmington Hills, Michigan. We're in a small 2-story office building, and we have an elevator over here. It's interesting, the up is kind of lit up and the down is lit up. It's a Dover. It's got a door close button. That's cool. Here we are up at 2. Let's get a look real quick. I love the lobby, it's very nice. This might have had a bell at one point and then got replaced. Door closes when you press the button. And this thing also has a bumper, so let's demonstrate that.